Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. Tim here with another flip house walkthrough. Believe it or not, we are finally done with the permit house from hell. That's what I'm calling it. Give you a little background. I actually bought this house last year. We started remodel on it, and the permit police came by and we realized we didn't have permits. So we were shut down for months while we were getting everything together. There was a lot of work that we had to do to satisfy the permits, and that's okay because it ended up being just a great little house. This is about 1,500 square feet. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It is on, I think, a 0.8-acre lot, and we have literally remodeled this house from top to bottom. The entire interior is redone, flooring, paint, brand new appliances. We redid both bathrooms. We added a shower. We opened up some dead space to make more floor space. We refinished the floors, complete electrical overhaul, brand new HVAC, and as they say, a whole lot more. So I'm going to give you a tour right now and just let you look at what we've done. And like I said, it has been a long time coming. So when we bought this house, it was an enclosed garage. It was just a mess. This was a bit of a hoarder house, really dirty, really nasty. We got everything cleaned out. Basically what we did in here is we redid the floors, we painted the fireplace. I love this fireplace. Added shelving here, painted a different color, all new lights and plumbing fixtures all the way throughout. So this is, I guess you would call this the den. We added ductwork, brand new HVAC unit, of course. This is the door coming in. The windows are all good, new ceiling fan. The big thing we did to this house is we opened it up. There was this door here, but I think it was just a single door because this used to be a step-down garage. So you can see what we did here. We opened it up a little bit, and this kitchen has just turned out remarkably well. Now, before I go in, I want to give you a reminder. There was a door there going into a bedroom from the kitchen. There was a wall here. There was just a standard doorway here. So what we've done is we closed that wall off. We reconfigured the kitchen to move the refrigerator over there. Open this wall up. Look at this. This is now from the kitchen. The little dining room, living room is all completely opened up, and it looks amazing. Redid the original hardwood floors, and they look incredible. So let me just show you what we did here to the kitchen. As I said, when we bought the house, this was a wall that had a small doorway there. So we've opened that up. A completely brand new kitchen. We've reconfigured everything. These are brand new cabinets. Brand new. We didn't just paint the old ones. We replaced them with brand new lighting, brand new appliances, new stove, oven, microwave, dishwasher there. Put up new lighting, granite countertops. Yes. No expense was spared on this little house because I knew it could be something really cool. So brand new cabinets, brand new countertops, brand new appliances, all new plumbing fixtures, new lighting. This yard is a big backyard. We're on a quarter lot. And as I said, I think it's about 0.8 acres. So then this is the utility room off of the kitchen. Excuse me, I've got some dust going here. And we really reconfigured this as well because when I bought the house, the hot water heater was up there. It was on a stand up there. So we brought it down, moved it over here, put it on a stand. It's got an expansion tank on it now, repainted these walls. This wall here behind the fireplace was just open. So we've closed that in, repainted the floors, and it looks great. Just a great laundry room now. There's plenty of room over there for a washer dryer, folding area. And this is the view from the back side of the kitchen. Man, this is just gorgeous. You know, what's really funny is this was the exact same layout of the very first house I ever owned. It had the doorway going into the bedroom and the little area there. So now this is all open. The den, kitchen opens up to the dining room, which opens up to the living room. All All right, look at how much space you have here. Let me go over here in the corner. There is the kitchen. This is the living room. And again, the original hardwood floors have been saved. There was a wall here. Actually, when you came in the front door, originally, there was a wall right here that blocked the view of the dining room. And then, of course, that wall. So we opened this all up. Beautiful, beautiful. Painted everything. The windows are great. They're dirty because it's been raining and nasty here for a little bit. Another thing we did here is there was originally a coat closet here. And it really wasn't serving much purpose at all. So we opened that up, made this room bigger. And then I'll show you what we did back here because it's the coolest thing I think we did. So, all right, let's go back this way. We've got 3 bedrooms. This is the bedroom where that door used to be into the kitchen from there, but you can see we closed it in, fresh paint, redid the floors, lots of closet space in this house. We've got these really nice bifold doors here, paint, and again, this house has a big lot, storage building there, and just a really all-around great little house. I got to tell you, this was a labor of love and frustration because I honestly didn't think we'd ever get through dealing with these permit people. All right, this is the hall bath. Look at the tile floor. I had my guy Terry come in, did all tile in both bathrooms. Let me explain something. This air return originally was in the floor, and this door was over here. And when you walked into the bathroom, it really felt really closed up and tight. So what we did is we moved the return here, patched that floor. The return is now in the closet, moved this door over and opened it up. So now it opens up into this bathroom. Check it out. Everything's new vanity, new toilet, new fixtures, new mirror, new lights. The existing shower was good. We were able to save that, clean it up. We painted the tile, and it just looks gorgeous. Let me show you from the other side. I'm really happy. I can move into this house today. All right, so this is the view. Toilet, brand new vanity, mirror, that's now a pantry. So it was one of those things where if you just make little tweaks, it makes a huge difference. So I mentioned that it's got a brand new HVAC unit. All right, lots of closet space. This is another bedroom. Nice neighborhood, very quiet neighbors. That gentleman there is really super nice. Look at how big this is. This is the smaller bedroom, but it's still good size. Got closet. The hardwoods have been refinished, fresh lighting. Got wired in the smoke alarms throughout. This is the master. Really good size master. Now, let me tell you about when we first looked at this house. You can see over there the brand new electric panel because this was an older house and it had the fuse box system, which, it's old and dated, doesn't really work. The fuse box was originally in this closet right there. And this closet went back that way another probably 2 feet. So it was a really wide closet. So what we did is this. Number one, of course, we did all brand new electrical, new fuse box, new wiring throughout the house. But then we opened up the master bathroom. When I bought this house, the master bathroom was tiny. There was a wall right here. And you had an old sink and you had an old toilet and a wall. And behind this wall was part of this closet. So we're looking at this one day and we realized that we could take 3 feet and move it that way and have enough for a shower insert. Now look at this. Got the brand new exhaust fan doing its job. Brand new shower, plenty of room in there. That allowed us to also upgrade the vanity, the mirror, the lighting, the toilet, and again, Terry came in and did the tile floors, which I think just looks amazing. You know, this house may be a little overdone for this neighborhood because I guarantee you there are not a whole lot of houses over here that has this kind of tile and this kind of granite and this kind of these finishes. But the good news is this one does, and it is about to go on the market. So let's talk a little bit about that, because I know everybody's going to ask. Comps in this neighborhood are going to price this house out probably $165 to $170. I don't know what we're going to put it on the market for yet, but it's going to be somewhere in that neighborhood. But again, at that price, you are getting a house that has been completely remodeled. I mean, the roof, we didn't redo the roof, but the roof was good. The windows were good. Brand new HVAC, brand new, all electrical, all plumbing. As I said, electric box, redid the floors, brand new kitchen, 2 brand new bathrooms, brand new appliances. I mean, this house is just killer, and it is good to go. It's in a really nice neighborhood. And as I said, if I was looking for a house like this is the one I would choose. This is what's going to sell this house. Opening that up was just brilliant. That in the bathroom, and those were, I think, my ideas. If they weren't, they should have been. So again, price-wise, I haven't decided 100%, but we're probably going to be in the 165 to 170, maybe somewhere there in the middle, which is about where this neighborhood is comping. We're going to be one of the few houses in here, I think, right now with granite, brand new cabinets, brand new appliances, brand new lighting. I'm really proud of this house. I really am. Out of all the ones that I've done, this one has been the biggest challenge, the biggest pain in the ass, but I really like the way it has turned out. And literally all it needs now is a family to come in and take it over. Or maybe a nice young couple looking to start a family. Or maybe a nice young man or a nice young lady. Whatever. But again, it's almost 1,500 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, completely redone, top to bottom, good to go, and it can be yours if the price is right. All right, that's it. I'm going to get out of here, and I'm very happy. This is a big milestone that I didn't think would ever get here. Thank you, permit police. And it was kind of my fault too. So, all right, that's it. Have a great day. I will talk to you soon.